friends. Today, we complete 1 year of our conceptual surgery. And on behalf of the faculty, the other people in conceptual surgery, we welcome you. We started this journey, both of us, you and the faculty, last year. We have made some progress, but we have a long way to go. I'm sure with your cooperation, with your active participation and your support, we will achieve our goals. May take some time. These things don't or can't be achieved overnight. It takes weeks and months. And I'm sure today you are junior colleagues. Soon you would be grown up, you will be mature enough, you will be competent in the field of general surgery, and you would be taking our position. I wish you people all the best and would welcome your suggestions. How can we make this journey smoother, better, and more beneficial for everyone? Thank you so much.